Hello everyone, we're here today at Animal Kingdom Villa's Kidani Village, where we're staying in a one bedroom with a standard view. This room does sleep up to 5 adults, but it could get a little cramped with that 5th adult.
Now, I will say one thing that's nice, especially if you have 5 adults here, is there are 2 bathrooms here in the room. Most of the one bedroom villas in the Disney Vacation Club resorts only have one. This one and the one at Bay Lake Tower has 2, which is really, really nice. So we're really excited to go and see the room. Here we go. So when we first enter the room, we have over here on the right that extra bathroom I mentioned a minute ago. You have a full bathroom here. There is a vanity over here on the right. It's just a small little vanity, not a lot of counter space, but there is some storage down underneath. And of course you have a toilet in here and a tub over here with a shower head and the refillable shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And then the shower head that's in here is not detachable. It's just your standard shower head. And we have some tile work all the way around here with some really cool looking African inspired art, kind of fitting the theme of the resort and also matching really well with the shower curtain there. And then right across from the bathroom, we have a closet here. Inside this closet, apart from storage, you'll also find a stackable washer and dryer, because all of the Disney Vacation Club one bedroom and larger villas include a washer and dryer in the room. So that's right there in the closet, as well as some additional storage space. Then we come into the main part of the room. This is going to be our kitchen and dining room and living room area. Over here on my left, there is a door right here in the wall that you'll notice. This will lead you to a studio next door. So if you booked a 2-bedroom villa, you may wind up with a 2-bedroom lock-off villa, which is essentially a studio and 1 bedroom where you just open up the connecting door in between. Now the kitchen itself has a little bar right here with a couple bar stools, and it is a full kitchen. So we have a toaster here on the counter. We also have a sink and a dishwasher over here on this side. We've got an oven and a stove. We've got a microwave. We have a full-size fridge. We have a full-size coffee maker, and all of the cabinets are fully stocked with dishes. So you've got glassware, you've got silverware, you've got pots and pans, you've got plates and bowls, you've got everything you need to cook and eat while you're staying here in this villa. And then the dining room area here has just the one table that has the bench and a couple chairs. It is pretty cool looking though. It's got these Mufasa carvings on the back of the chair, pretty cool looking. And I love that the legs of the table are actual legs. They have hooves at the bottom. It's a fun little detail they decided to put in there. A lot of really cool woodwork in the furniture here. In the living room area, we have a dresser over here. So if you do have people staying in here, it's nice to have a little bit of storage for them. There's some animal carvings on the different drawers. That bird might be Zazu. Looks kind of like him, maybe. I'm not sure. But I do know that that lion right there is Simba. That's for sure. And we have some USB outlets and wall outlets on either side of that dresser, as well as the very large flat screen TV on the wall. Now this chair pulls out into a twin size bed, so you can get a single bed there, and then the couch right across the room pulls out into a queen size bed. So you have 2 that can sleep on the couch and 1 on the twin size pull out, which gives you the total of 5 with the master bedroom. The door right over here leads us out to the balcony, but we're going to go check that out from the master suite here in just a second. So going into the master bedroom, you've got a king size bed here in the master, and on the headboard you may recognize Simba and Nala carved into the headboard. I really like the headboard here in this room, and I also really like the lamps that are here on either side of the bed on the end tables. We've got lamps with ostrich eggs built in. They just look really cool, definitely fit the theming, and I kind of want one of those for my house. We also have some more of those USB outlets built into the nightstands on either side of the bed. Now going into the master bathroom area on the right, we've got a very large vanity over here. Lots and lots of counter space, as well as the smaller shelf right up above the vanity. So you've got a lot of room to kind of spread out there. And there are shelves down below and a couple drawers, so plenty of room when you're using the vanity area here. On the right, there is a small room there that does have a door with a full-length mirror on it. That is where you're going to have your toilet there in the little room. And just to the right of that is another closet. And this closet is where you will find your safe attached to the ground down there, as well as your iron and ironing board and your extra pillow and blankets for the pull-out beds in the living room. Behind me, you'll find the walk-in shower right over here. It's a good sized walk-in shower. It's actually pretty big. It's got a little bench in there as well. And you can see it just has the one shower head built into the wall. There's no shower head in the ceiling in this particular villa. They do also have the refillable body wash, shampoo, and conditioner, and a really cool tile picture of sunrise or sunset, I think sunrise, on the savanna that continues on past the shower and over here above the tub. And you may recognize the silhouettes here. We've got Timon and Pumbaa, looks like Zazu, Scar, Simba, Nala, a hyena, Rafiki, Mufasa. It's pretty cool. And then right down below that is our jetted tub. We do have a really nice sized jetted tub in these villas. Some of the villas have a little bit smaller tubs, but this is really a good size. Now heading back out into the master bedroom, I'm going to point out the dresser over here does have a smaller TV built into it. However, it also has those USB and wall outlets built in, so really no shortage of places to charge your devices here in this room, especially because you have the desk over here that also has a few outlets built into it, and you have a hidden Mickey here on the desk. If we take a step back, there's some carvings all around the desk, all over the place, and here on the drawer is a little hidden Mickey there in the corner. The only one we were able to find in this room, so that's pretty fun to find that there. And then in the very corner of the room, right before we head out, we do have another chair, so just nice to have a little place to sit here in the master. Now heading out onto the balcony, we do have a shared balcony with the rest of our room. So this balcony goes the entire width of the room. You have a couple chairs here and a little table. And then those doors over there are where we're going to go to get back into the living room. This is a standard view, but it is one of the better standard views that we've seen. Sometimes you're facing the parking lot or just some trees. In this case, we are kind of facing a little strip of the savanna. You can see a couple animals laying down right there in the shade. And there's a Watusi cattle, I believe, over there, the big horns off in the distance. So you've got kind of a savanna view. I'd say partial savanna view, especially if you come over here to the railing and look that way. You can actually see quite a bit of the savanna, but I'm not seeing any animals, at least right now. It is kind of feeding time and nap time, so I think most of them are probably wherever they go for that. So we'll head back here into the living room and show you what it's like with the beds pulled out. So when you pull out the couch, you have that queen size bed, and when you pull out the chair, it is a twin size bed. You can see it gets a little bit tight with both of those pulled out. So if you had 5 adults in here and both the beds pulled out, it could get a little bit cramped here just in the living room space. But as long as you fold those up when you're done with them in the mornings, it would definitely help kind of open things up for you the rest of the day. And that is going to conclude this tour of the 1-bedroom standard view villa here at Animal Kingdom Villa's Kidani Village. We hope you enjoyed that room tour. If you did, give us a thumbs up down below and comment with any questions you might have about this room or resort. And while you're down there, make sure you subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so you get notified by YouTube whenever we go live or post a new video.
For even more information about Walt Disney World and the Walt Disney World Resorts, head to herewiththeears.com. We've got a lot of information there for you. Thank you for watching, and until next time,
we're here with the ears.